23. The Believers. This is an early Makki Surah revealed about 6-7 years before the Hijrah. It has 118 verses in 6 sections. In this surah, people are invited to accept and follow the Prophet. This is the central theme of the surah. It speaks about the character of true believers and assures that they will be the real successful people. It draws attention to various stages of human creation, to many other universal signs. Then it takes some of the stories of the other prophets and tells us that they also preached the same message. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. The character of the believers. Various stages of human creation and Allah's signs in the universe. Number 2. The message of Prophet Noah, his people's response, and then the flood. Number 3. Generations were raised after Prophet Noah. Many prophets were sent among them. Then came Prophet Moses and Aaron, and then came Jesus, peace be upon them all. Number 4. All prophets are one ummah and preached the same religion. Those who are affluent think that they are also the righteous people. But the righteous are only those who do the good deeds. Number 5. Everything in the heaven and earth belongs to Allah. Number 6. Prophet's job is to continue presenting the message of Allah. This life is the only chance. The life has a purpose.